have to chunk it and then do the comprehension check, right? Like that's what we know from reading. So we do Eddie made 7 hamburgers and we draw our line. So what is Eddie made 7 hamburgers? Is he starting his story or is that the end of the story? Is what we have to ask ourselves. And so it's actually at the end. So at the end, he has 7 hamburgers. Then he had 7 bags of pickle slices. And we have another period, so we stop. So what is that saying? So he has 7 bags. And I'm from the north. So 7 bags. So bags we cross out, and that is a container. So is that my group or my item? And that would be your group. It's weird with nobody asking questions or answering. Okay, so in the beginning, we have 7 groups of the items, which are our pickle slices. And that is in the beginning. And then we have each bag, so we have each group of, which is our sign to multiply, each bag of pickles had 6 items, because that is our pickle slices. So this is telling us what our total items are. So now we need to figure out the total number of items that we have. So how many pickle slices do we have? So he put the same number of pickle slices. So I need to stop because it's moving into here to ask me another question. So I have to stop and I have to figure out the middle, which the middle is how many total items do I have? So I need to multiply my 7 bags of 6 pickles to get how many pickles I have in all. So I do 7 groups of 6, gets me 42. So to back it up, I actually wouldn't do the equation yet because I would stop and sketch it first. So we'll grab an edit and we'll get that. So if we sketch this out, so I have how many bags? I have 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I know that there are 6 in each one, so that's my equal groups. When I need to figure out my total number of items, so in my equal groups, if I have 7 boxes, how many boxes am I going to put in my strip diagram? You put 7. And then how many are going to go into each box?
6.
Thanks, Megan. You're so smart.
Falcon book.
So then if I have 7 groups of 6, how many do I have? And then you have 42. So my equation for the middle is 7 times 6 equals 42. So then I move on. He put the same number of pickles on each hamburger. So what do we know? We have equal groups of 42 pickles, but I don't know my groups yet. Do I know my groups yet? So I need to know my total number, or my total items divided by either my group or my items equals the group or the items. And what am I trying to find out? Am I trying to find out the groups or am I trying to find out the items? You put the same number of pickle slices on each hamburger. How many pickle slices did he put on each hamburger? The question is asking me the pickle slices or the items. So what is my total items? Okay.
42.
And then what is my group?
Hamburgers.
Yeah, so we have to go to the end because we were told the end. Because I had a lot of students say, well, it doesn't say.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we have to go back and that was where mapping it out like a story helped. So this is 7. So then you would do a sketch again for splitting it. So the 42, splitting it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. This is how I do my equal group, sorry for whatever. And then I did the boxes again because that is how they understood how to do that. if my equal groups were boxes, then they understood how to put it into the strip diagram. And so they realized that obviously that there was 6 pickles on each, so then we could make the strip diagram. So then here, they were able to say 6, and so then the pickle slices, they would say this is where we would write this sentence. Whoops. So that's how we did it